Okay, if you missed percent abundance formula, this is it. It will be given to you on a test. It's isotope number 1 times X plus isotope number 2 times 1 minus X equals your average atomic mass, which comes from the periodic table. So let's do an example of it. Okay, so if we have copper has 2 naturally occurring isotopes, 63 or 62.93 AMU. Always use the one, if it has a decimal, use the one with the decimal. Okay, so we're going to use this one. And it has a 65, which is 64.93 AMU. If copper has an atomic mass from the periodic table of 63.55 AMU, what is the percent abundance of each copper isotope? You notice we don't have any percentages at all. So when we're looking for percentages, then you use this formula. Otherwise, if you have 1%, have any percentages, use the other isotope formula. So I plug in my values. I take my atomic mass and I plug it in here. And then I have my X value. Mine's a little bit different on there, so I'm going to change it up just a little bit. I'm going to take 62.93. I'm going to multiply it times X. I'm going to add it to 64.93, and I'm going to have the 1 minus X here equals 63.55. Okay, what do? Well, you distribute. So you get 62.93 X plus, you're going to distribute 64.93 minus 64.93x equals 63.55. Now you combine like terms. Well, I'm going to subtract 64.93 from both sides. And that gets rid of this one. And I'm going to move this one over here. So I'm going to take 64.93x just to get rid of this one and move it all over. So when I do that, I get negative 2x equals, and then I'm going to subtract these. That is a, hold on, 64.93. It's going to be a negative 8, 3, 1. A negative 1.38. Okay, I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and negative 2, sorry, and x will equal 0.69%, or 69, and then I'm going to take that and put it in my 1 minus x, and I end up with a 0.31, right? I take both of those and turn them to percentages by multiplying times 100, and I get 69% and 31%. So my copper 63 is 69%, and this other copper was 31%. You just do your algebra, okay? I hope you enjoyed the video.